Have you ever felt a heaviness in your chest that no medicine could heal? A void that remains empty no matter how much of this world you pour into it. Imām Ibn al-Qayyim, the doctor of the hearts, wrote this book, The Disease and the Cure, not for the body, but for the soul. He tells us that every sin is a toxin, and every heartache is a symptom of a deeper sickness. Today, we aren't just summarizing a book, we are seeking a remedy for our own lives. The Imām begins with a revolutionary thought. Dua is the most powerful medicine on earth. He explains that a calamity is like an enemy, and dua is the shield. If the shield is stronger than the enemy, it repels it. But many of us pray with a distracted heart. Ibn al-Qayyim says, Allah does not answer a dua from a heart that is preoccupied. Imagine your heart as a radio. If it's not tuned to the right frequency, you only hear static. To heal, you must tune your heart entirely to the Creator. He then moves to a terrifying reality. Sins are not just mistakes, they are barriers between you and your provision. Ibn al-Qayyim lists the side effects of sin: the darkness of the face, a barrier to knowledge, a strange feeling of loneliness between you and people. He says, a sin follows another until they seal the heart. It's like a drop of ink in a glass of water. One drop is fine, but eventually the whole glass turns black. This is why you feel lost. This is the disease. The cure is not just stopping the sin, the cure is replacement. Your heart was created to love something. If you don't fill it with the love of Allah, it will naturally obsess over money, people, or fame. Healing happens when you realize that everything you are searching for in the creation is actually with the Creator. Before you leave this video, take one action. Tonight, stand in the darkness of your room. Speak to Allah as if you are a patient speaking to his doctor. Be honest about your disease. Remember his words. There is no disease Allah has created, except that he has also created its cure. Your healing starts now. This was core tradition. Ignite your faith. Follow the light.